I'm Michael Gold. I'm a dermatologist in Nashville, Tennessee. I am the medical director of Gold Skincare Center and the Tennessee Clinical Research Center, and have been in derm for 37 years now. I think whenever I talk to people about microneedling devices in general, the first thing that you need to figure out is is it an FDA cleared device? Period. That's the most important thing. I don't use and I don't recommend anything that's not FDA cleared. This is a class 2 medical device that has its own 510K approval, clearance, and so that's the first thing. Then you look at the device itself, and you sort of say, okay, what makes it different? A microneedling pen is a microneedling pen, which is totally not the case. And this has variable speeds, various cartridge options, allows you to tune in or how far down you want to go, and so you can tailor everything to the patient needs, depending on whether you're treating just brightening or all the way down to what I love is the acne scar world, which you have to get deeper. And so it allows you to do that. It allows you to, you can, it's the way it's designed with a grip, the proper grip, the cartridges that are unique to that pen, that you can see the levels that you're going. So everything has been made very user friendly, which sounds pretty simple, but in the needling world, that's pretty complicated to do. So I think they've mastered that technique. So yeah, I think that's important. I always tell people that I met Dermalogica like 30 plus years ago. They were actually the first skincare company I sold out of my office. And so they have a heritage that's really important of amazing skincare products. They sort of were very tied into dermatology for a long time. They went global, they went retail, and that's all fine and good for them, and I'm thrilled for them. But when you get back into the medical side of the world, which is where the needling and all that comes important, I think it is very important for them to partner with the dermatology and aesthetics community at large, because this is what we do. And if you're a new company and you go, I have the best microneedling and skincare system ever, well, you got to prove it to the doctor. The people out in the masses, they don't understand what we understand, and they don't understand the clinical work that has to get into this. So if you're taking a brand that already is well known in the skincare world, yet improving all the time, that's really good. And then when you're getting into the quote unquote medical side of it, it's best to team up with the people that do this. And so kudos to them for doing that. They didn't have to do this. Again, they could have just stayed in their little, in their little but very big space. We're the little space in this whole market, but we're also the ones that sort of give the proof that what they have works. So partnering with us again helps their brand tremendously, as it would help any brand. But again, with a heritage of as long as I've been around, they've been around. That's really nice.